You want to know 12 reasons you should invest in dividend stock? Are you interested in investing in dividend stock? Then this is the video for you. If you're not interested in knowing 12 reasons you should invest in dividend stock, then this would be the best time to continue scrolling to the video that you was previously watching or the video about to watch right now. We thank you for stopping by, but we're going to get into this central topic of 12 reasons you should invest in dividend stock. Invest in dividend stocks is a time-tested strategy for building wealth. Generation passive income. So if you want to generate passive income, invest in dividend stock. And it adds stability to your portfolio. The 12 reasons why you should invest in dividend stock is: number one, earn passive income. Dividend stock pay you regularly, often quarterly, just for holding the shares. No selling required. So that's what you're holding. No selling required. So you get paid just to hold the shares. Number two, compound your wealth over time. Reinvest dividend, allow your investment to grow exponentially through the power of compounding, which is compound interest. The more you make, the more you keep, the more you make. Three, steady cash flow. So if you want an emergency fund, invest in dividend stocks. Dividend income provide a reliable stream of income, great for covering bills, saving, and reinvesting. So if you want to start emergency fund, this is where you can able to start that emergency fund by invest in dividend stock. You need a diverse portfolio, so start invest today. So you get compound interest over time, and it's a steady cash flow. Number four, low investment risk. So if you want something with low risk, dividend paying companies are often more stable and mature. Reduce volatility compared to growth only stocks. So most people, they got to study the stock market, but if you want a dividend stock, you're going to get to dividend and it grow over time. It's a mature company, it's more stable, and it's a way to put some funds for emergency funds. Number five, hedge against inflation. And you see it now. When one country go through inflation, the next one go. That's we see tariff, that's we see trade conflicts or trade agreements, and that's where you see travel ban. All these stuff is effective because there's inflation, and a country want to hedge against inflation. You want to hedge against inflation too, and how to do it is invest in dividend stocks. When you hedge against inflation, dividend intend to grow over time. Help preserve your purchasing power as the cost of living rise. And we see inflation rising today, cost of living rising today, house, and even in all of that, you see more layoffs than ever. Number six, boost total return. Dividend contributes significance to overall investment return. Especially during sideways or bearish market. So if a market going bearish or it's going sideways, because now you got both. Sometimes you got bearish and you got sideways market. If you invest in an AI company, then you might have a bearish market. But if you invest in some coins, digital coins, you might have a bearish market. Depends on what it is. You have a side market when you got multiple layoffs, and depends on if the purchasing power, people is not pushing in the store to buy consumer goods or commodities or certain things that they need, perishable items, etc. So it boosts total return. So you got to keep that in mind. Number seven, signal financial health. When you try to get a loan, it covers your portfolio and you can get what you need if you want to go into business, invest more, etc., etc. When it signifies a return, company that consistently paying you and increasing dividend often have strong balance sheet and solid earning. So when a company like these major companies, Apple, etc., Amazon, you have Microsoft, you got all these major company. That's for those in the U.S. You got your major company in the country that you're in. You got major company in China. You got major company in Europe. And you got major company in Africa. Invest in these stocks. It's when they have strong balance sheet, you know, there's turn dividend. Number 8, ideal for retirement plan. You have a retirement plan. You need something to put aside for retirement, something to put aside for emergency, something to put aside for real estate, something to put aside for index fund, something put aside to dabble in some digital currency, something put aside for commodities. You want to able to have these plans in your retirement plan. So a dividend stock can replace employment income, making them perfect for retirees seeking predictable income. So if you want a predictable income in the end, then you invest in all of these at that time. Number 9, outperform over long term. So when a company keep going, you see some of these companies, they have a good balance sheet, they got strong earning, outperform over long term. That means they're going to grow, they're going to develop. Now they're going to AI. You see it in the past, you watch it. Even if you was not in the investment based upon your current stand, now you have a chance moving forward to look for a company that you can invest in as it grow and your income grow as your retirement grow too. Keep that in mind. So over time, historically, dividend paid stock outperform non-dividend stocks in a total return over decade. You see why you invest in these companies, even small companies that are going to expand and become big. Number 10, encourage long-term thinking. Dividend investment promotes buy and hold strategies, reducing emotional trade and short-term speculation. You already heard that like Warren Buffett started when he was in the 50s, 60s. I don't remember the exact, but he started late. So imagine you as an individual start now to start invest, diversify income, build it over time. It's a long-term game. Build it over time. Use that till when Social Security kick in. You can just use it if Social Security available in your country, because some countries it's not available. It's all about debit and not credit. It's all about critical thinking and critical skill and not based upon developing countries. So you got to consider where you at. This video is for everyone. So encourage long-term spending. Dividend investment promote buy and hold strategy, reducing emotional trading and short-term speculation. So encourage long-term thinking among those lines when it comes to buy and hold strategy. You want to buy it and hold it. Number 11, offer tax advantage in some country. So in many regions, qualified dividend are taxed at lower rates than regular income. Increase your net return. So like when you see some of these emerging markets, you see them growing, expand your horizon and go into emerging market. Many emerging market is in Africa, South America, or wherever you see the emerging market, Caribbean, etc. You got to focus of where it is constantly growing and emerging, where it's going to be beneficial for you to get and buy some of those stocks at that time so your money can grow. So you got to look at policy in those countries too. Number 12, accessible and simple strategy. You don't need to be a market expert. Just choose well-known companies and with history of paying and increasing dividend. So you want to look at companies that have a history of paying and increasing dividend. So if you like a list of the top paying dividend stock or ETFs, then I can push it to you. I can help you build that dividend income strategy, tailor for your goals, and I can walk you through that step by giving you a list, but you still got to do your investigation on that. So if you find this video to be in your interest, go ahead and give us a like and follow and share and watch our other video where we go into different investment stream where you can capitalize on that and build your portfolio. So if you want to know 12 reasons you should invest in dividend stock, number 1, earning passive income. Number 2, compound your wealth over time. Number 3, steady cash flow. Number 4, lower investment risk. Number 5, hedge against inflation. Number 6, boost total return. Number 7, signal financial health. Number 8, ideal for retirement plan. Number 9, outperform over the long term. Number 10, encourage long-term thinking. Number 11, offer tax advantage in some countries. And number 12, accessible and simple strategy. So if you find this video to be in your interest, go ahead, follow, like, and share, and watch, and look at the notification bell and leave a message so we can get back at you if you need more information for you to start your plan and invest in dividend stocks.